to stand and make up a difference. Climate change is a problem, greening the land we can't contain. We can't save the environment, we can't fight for the future. We got a plan for the nation, reduce, reuse and recycle. Teach the children the dangers we're facing. Yeah. Planting trees for the future, engaging the young with nature. Climate change is a problem, greening the land we can contain. Sex of friends for the nature. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Sexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment.